That's the Kootenai River right behind me. It's gorgeous. Just crossed into Montana.
Oh, there it is.
Welcome to Montana.
Did you add it to our stickers? Or do we already have it on our stickers?
I don't think we do yet. So
need to add that.
We gotta add a new state.
And back into town.
Back into town. Gonna get some cell service. Check on mom.
So we're gonna go into town, get all that done. I've got a bunch of stuff that I need to do to have service. It's amazing how much we rely on having service. I guess I just really didn't get it. So it's amazing.
Especially for YouTubers.
Yeah, yep. Luckily it's a gorgeous ride going into town. So
it is.
There's that.
Going to the post office.
Yes, catching up on birthday gifts, graduation gifts, just catching up. What are you doing out there?
I'm enjoying my redneck air conditioning.
The water is warm.
I'm sitting in the lake, enjoying a beverage.
I'm amazed at how warm the water is.
Yeah, this is really, some storm clouds over there. Would you like to join me? I'll grab you a chair.
Okay.
It's like bath water up here.
It does feel good. It's been so hot today. Today's actually been less hot than before, but I felt more hot. What's with that?
I think only 95 today, but
yeah. Whew. Now that feels good.
Redneck air conditioning. We've had 100-degree temperatures, or close to 100, or even over 100 for several days in a row, and now finally its weather pattern has broken, and we have thunder clouds and really a crazy sky. I want to show you over here. Really weird orange. Oh, we almost thought there was a fire, but I don't think so. But let me show this to you. So we're still in Montana. Man, the weather is just night and day from what it was earlier. Look at this. All that orange. Does it show up in the camera? Oh, lightning right there. White caps on the lake. And a rainbow. This is just really quite the change. You can, I'm sure, hear the wind. Look at the trees. Time to go batten down the hatches.
I don't know that I've ever seen a sky that looks quite like that before. It's really unusual, and we're starting to get white caps on the lake.
Yeah, the lake that just an hour ago we were sitting in our chairs in. It was calm and...
Yeah, but have you seen a sky that looks like that?
No.
Not sure what to think about this. You need to get your weather... What do you call that little contraption?
The weather radio?
Yeah. Can you hear that? Rain on the roof? And can you see all the sprinkles out there on the lake? Oh, it feels so good. As long as the lightning stays away, right? Say yes.
Oh, you talking to me? Yes. Keep that lightning away.
So we're trying to figure out what county we're in. I think I figured it out, but Norm's still working on it.
No, I think you're right. Flathead.
Yeah, Flathead. Well, we're getting all our chores done. We got the laundry done. Here comes Norm. We went to the grocery store. We're getting the car washed and the trailer washed. Our challenge is this base seemed tall enough for the trailer with the air conditioner, but there's a power line on the other side that looks kind of iffy. So we'll see if we have to back out of here or if we can pull forward. All right, we are just going past Flathead Lake, and it is huge and absolutely gorgeous. We've been here before, right?
We've been here before, and it seems like this is like the largest lake.
I don't know.
I can't remember. East of the Rockies or east of the Mississippi?
We'll have to look it up.
Yeah.
Put it in. If you guys know, put it in the comments below. But oh my gosh, it is absolutely gorgeous here. We are on our way to a campsite a couple hours out of Bozeman, right? And we are a little bit of a late start. We got the laundry done. We got the grocery shopping done. We filled up. Oh, you emptied the tank.
We did the dump.
Did you fill up the gas tank, the gas can? Nope. Okay. And we
got the truck and RV washed.
Yes. And that was a little dicey because it just barely fit over the top of the air conditioner. And then if we were going to drive out the other side, one of the power lines seemed like they were really droopy.
We had to hit it, so we had to back out.
So we had to back out. Luckily, it was not on a busy street, and Norm's a good backer, so everything was good. But yeah, travel days. I kind of like travel days. Let's look at this.
Harbor, the Harbor Grill. That'd be a fun place to stop if we didn't have a trailer. All right, finding our someday. We know that you guys are the masters of finding the rainbows. We got us a pretty darn good one today. And Corey, you're not the only one that can wash his truck and then have it start raining. Washed my truck just a little bit ago. Here's the rain. We're here. We're at our campground. All right, the campground is Riverside Campground at Canyon Ferry Lake. We're just outside of Helena, Montana, and we're actually only here one night. So we didn't disconnect, and that's a little trick we like to use sometimes if the site is level enough. We don't disconnect because it just saves us time in the next morning. We don't have to hook back up. And our campsite is right on the river. It's just gorgeous here. Montana is another amazingly beautiful state. This is our site just for one night. We were going to be here 4 nights, but we're going to go see some friends in Bozeman, and we're heading there tomorrow. Kim's doing her Instagram stuff.
Yes, I am.
What do you think?
I sure hope that we like the next place, because this place is gorgeous.
This is our campsite. Right there's the river.
Hey.
Hello.
We just let ourselves in.
Yep.
I was going to introduce you guys here. Can I shake your hand?
So Trevin, this is Kim and Norm. This is our Trevin. All right, we're shaking over here.
We just let ourselves in.
Yeah.
Oh, you're good. I haven't seen you in a day. Sorry.
You haven't.
Oh, I've been busy. he gets his own special little dish, and so he started eating.
Oh, very good.
Don't blame
Very
him.
good. Come on over here.
Yeah,
So we gotta get it both of you.
We gotta get.
Oh no, my beard.
I know. Well, I'm like, I'm sure Matt.
Just brush it real quick. Our new best friends,
That's right.
Ann and Mark.
Yes.
Anne has been cooking
Oh,
for us.
she is amazing. We're never
I
leaving.
don't know. Good. My plan worked.
Any words of wisdom, you two?
It is what it is. Just keep on going.
There we go. I love it. I love
But for
it.
today.
All right. Well, let's not hold up dinner any
All
longer.
right, let's eat.
There. You happy?
I'm just trying to get the footage. Trying to get your viewership up. Stop.
I'm trying to get my
Yeah,
viewership up.
yeah. They're all unsubscribing right now.
I can see it. They're just going.
Yeah.
Well, Norm's gone off to get some gas and some propane, and we are at some of our followers' home and in Montana, and oh my gosh, look at the wind that's picked up. It's supposed to get some hail, and it is windy. I looked at the weather report, and it's supposed to get up to 50 miles per hour for gusts, not sustained. So I'm in here working on some stuff, and I think I'm just gonna stay hunkered down and wait for him to come home.